Hi, in this tutorial I will be showing you how to set up your profile. But first of all, you're going to have to connect your wallet. To be able to connect your wallet, you're going to have to click the connect icon on the top right. And after that, as you can see, we have three wallets that we can connect to. Metapro wallet, which is our wallet, MetaMask wallet, and any wallet connect. I'm going to be using Metapro. So as you can see, now I have to open the Metapro wallet mobile app and tap on the top right a chain icon to scan the QR code. So I'm going to do that. Now I have to click connect, enter my passcode, click Web3 login, click sign, and as you can see, I am now logged in. So after you have connected to your wallet, we can start setting up your profile. So first of all, you're going to have to click here, then click on profile, and after that, click on settings. And as you can see, I can now upload an avatar, just like that. I can upload a cover image. I can enter a username, which I'm going to do right now, and put in a bio. And as you can see, I can also put in my email address. I'm not going to be doing that. And you can also enter your Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, GitHub, Steam, Medium, LinkedIn, Telegram, and Reddit links to you, so people can know your social profiles. And after you've done all that, you can just click Save Changes. And as you can see, everything that I've done is now here.